Hey everyone, welcome to another beautiful snowy January day in the shop. Wait.
What? It's April?
Yep, yesterday we got around 6 inches of snow and tomorrow's supposed to be 70. Just welcome to another weekend in Nebraska.
It's the start of a new week, so it's time to do my least favorite but most necessary job in the shop, cleaning.
If anyone has any recommendations for a good dust collector, please leave me a link in the comment section below, because I really need one to keep the dust down. Now it's time to get back to grinding some knives since the shop is all cleaned up.
Today is Friday and I've got 3 knives up for finishing on the bench. The first one is this bottle opener Kiradashi with a marble carbon fiber handle. Then I have 2 Nakiris, one with Damascus steel here, and one with ABL steel. This one has a really cool blue sparkle resin and wood handle, and this one's got some champagne seeds resin and Malay burl wood handle.
Now it's time to gear up and get to some handle shaping. Here are those handles all finished up. I love the sparkle in this one. It also reminds me of a holographic Pokemon card, if anyone remembers those from back in the day. Here's that finished champagne seeds resin and Malay burl handle. I always love the way the sunlight reflects in the sparkles of the resin. Finally, here's the finished bottle opener with the marble carbon fiber handle and small brass pins. I want to give a big thanks to Spencer and the other people over at Even Heat for helping me pick out this oven. It's a KH418 model, which should be just the perfect size for about everything that I'll need it to be doing, and fit a big kitchen knife and also my smaller EDC models. Now that I have my own heat treating oven, I'll be able to make a few more one-off special projects and be able to finish them from start to finish in a little bit less time, since I won't be having to send them off to be professionally heat treated. So once I get a little more equipment like some quenching oil and tongs, I'll be able to get them going.
One really cool thing I'm working on today is finishing up a 5-piece kitchen set for one of our really good customers over in Germany. Today I'm doing the last piece of that set, which is this carving fork. We don't have a carving fork model ourselves, so we had our friends at Half Face Blades send us one of theirs. So I'm going to finish that up and polish it up and then put on this really nice champagne seed resin and Malay burl handle that'll match the rest of the set. I'm going to polish up the flat parts of the handle using the flat platen with an A100 Trizact belt, and then I'm going to use my 8-inch contact wheel to get into these curved portions.
Here's that finished 5-piece kitchen set. I really love the way these all came together. I just love seeing all them matching like this. One little close-up of the carving fork, or as the customer and I like to call it, Poseidon's trident.
This is Sparta!
Here we have the finished Damascus Nakiri. Here's that finished carbon fiber bottle opener. I really like this sleek look of the marble carbon fiber with the classy brass pins. And here's one other bottle opener I finished. We like to call it the Tiger King bottle opener due to the popular Netflix documentary going on right now. I hope you all enjoyed the video, and please like and subscribe if you did, and stay tuned for the next one. Stay sharp.